What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can upload large files on your Facebook Messenger. So you can't directly upload large file on your Facebook Messenger because Facebook doesn't allow you to post like any files larger than 25 MB, whether it's video or anything. So you need to cheat the system by doing something which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's get into the video. First step, you want to open your Google Drive and you have to upload the file which you want to share. Search for Google Drive and just click on where it says cloud storage work and home, click on it. Click on go to Drive. And once you're over here, you need to create a folder or you can straight up just upload your file. Right click on the blank space and click on where it says file upload and upload any file from your computer. After you upload the file, it's gonna look just like this. So I'm trying to send this PDF called scanned. I can right click on it, click on where it says get link. Once you click on get link, wait for some time, it's gonna generate a link. Once this is generated, where it says restricted, click on it, click on anyone with the link. Once it's on anyone with the link, click on copy link. Once you copy the link, go on Facebook, go on the messenger where you want to paste it. I want to send it to wekev. And I'm just gonna paste it over here. Now he can just click on the link. So once you upload this link, Kevin or your friend can just click on this link. Once you click on it, it's gonna take him to the Google Drive. And it's gonna take him where the folder is located, from where he can download the folder. Or if it is a video, he can watch the video. That's how this process works. So you need to just cheat the system. That's the only way. You can't upload a 100 GB file on Facebook. You can't do it. This is the only way. But instead of Google Drive, you can use any drive you want, alright? So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.